So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see some of the most important quantity 1, quantity 2 question, which is very much important for your main level examination, right? So look at the options. So quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2, quantity 1 is less than quantity 2, quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2, quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2, or quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2, right? That means we have to solve both the quantities and we have to compare on it, right? So first one, a train can cross it. So first one, quantity 1, a train can cross a pole in 24 seconds with a speed of 75 km length of the train. So length of the train we have to calculate. So what is length of a train? Because train is crossing a pole. So distance is what? Speed into time. Speed is 75 into 5 by 18. Why 5 by 18? Because time is in second. Time is 24. 6 4s are 6, 3s are 3, 25s are 25 into 20. What is the answer? 500. Clear? This is quantity 1. Then what about quantity 2? A train can cross a pole in 12 seconds and a tunnel in 55.2 seconds if the length of the tunnel is 180 meter length of the train. So whenever a train is crossing a tunnel, what is the distance covered by the train? Length of the train plus length of the tunnel. And whenever a train is crossing a pole, what is the distance covered by the train? Length of the train itself. Which part is constant here? The speed of the train is constant. So in the first case, train is crossing a pole. So length of the train by length of the time. Second, length of the train plus tunnel. Now this is 1800 meter. Okay. Divided by time. Time is 55.2 seconds. Right? So 12 4s are 48 6 are 4.6 L minus L. 3.6 L is equal to 1800. L is equal to 1800 divided by 3.6. What is the answer? 500. So that means my answer is quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2. Clear? Now we see question number 2. Quantity 1. Mark price of an article. If article is marked at 50% above cost price and on selling the article profit earned is 20% and selling price is rupees 1020. So what is quantity 1? So I am writing here CP, MP, SP. Right? If CP is 100, markup is 50%. So it is 150. And selling an article, the profit earned is 20%. So when you increase 20% here, it is 120. But selling price they have given you 120 part, they have given you 1020. What is one part? 8.5. Now what they are asking? Markup price. So 150 into 8.5. So 150 into 17, or directly we can do, right? What is 150 into 8? This is 1200 plus half of 150, 75. 1275. This is quantity 1. Clear? Quantity 2. Total cost of fencing a square of sides 37.5 meter and cost of wire is rupees 0.17 per centimeter. Fencing is nothing but perimeter. What is perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So 4 into 37 point, which is how much? 37.5 into 4. What is 37.5 double 75? 75 into 4 into 150. This 150 meter is there. But here centimeter is there. So convert. So 150 followed by 20. Right? Cost of wire is rupees 10.17 per centimeter. Per centimeter is nothing but 0.17. So 15,000 centimeters is nothing but how much? This number. So when you multiply also, you will find that this answer will be less right? Because 15,000 itself is there, so that means quantity 1 less than quantity 2. Clear? Now we'll see question number 3. Quantity 1, value of x. So equation is there. X plus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus x square. Right? A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus x square. X square will be cancelled. Plus and plus will be cancelled. 12x is equal to x square. X square minus 12x is equal to 0. If you take x common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 12. This is quantity 1. Come to quantity 2. Y square minus 29y plus 204 is equal to 0. Very simple. 12 into 70, right? So y square minus 12y minus 17y plus 204 is equal to 0. Y is common. Y minus 12. Again write here y minus 12. So here minus 17 will be there. So that means y is equal to 12 and y is equal to 70. This is quantity 2. Compare 0 and 12. Y is greater. 0 and y is greater. Equal. Y is greater. So what is the answer? Quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2. Clear? Now we see question number 4. Quantity 1. Amount obtained after 2 years on rupees 2450 at 14.27% simple interest per annum. Amount they are asking. What is the formula of amount? Principal plus interest. Principal is 2450 plus simple interest, right? That is what they have mentioned here. TRT by 100. 2450. 14.27% is 1 by 7. And time is 2 years. 7 3s are 21. 350 into 2 700. So 2450 plus 700. What is the answer? 3150. This is quantity 1. Quantity 2. Amount obtained after 2 years on investment of rupees 2450 at 12.5% per annum compounded yearly. Compound interest, very simple one. R is 12.5%. What is fraction value? 1 by 8. I am writing principal amount 8. One increment is there. Time is 2 years. Right? Successive percentage change. This is 64. This is 81. So 64 part is principal. That is 2450. Amount they are asking. So 81 part is how much? So when you solve this one, denominator part is less than numerator part, right? Here it is also less. That means your answer will be less than this one. So Q1 is greater than Q2. We can directly say also by observation. Clear? Now we'll see question number 5. Quantity 1. Usual time taken by men. Walking at 3/4 of his usual pace, a man reaches his office 20 minutes late. Late and early cases. Right? I am saying that speed, initial speed is 4, now it has become 3 because 3/4 is there. Distance is constant. So what about time? 3:4. Here how much more? 1. And how much minutes late? 20. Now what they are asking? Usual time, 3 part. 3 part is 60 minutes. Which is 1 hour. Clear? Quantity 2. Time taken by the runner to run around the circular ground. Area of the ground is 616 square meter and the speed of the runner is 22 km per hour. Area of a square they have given you. What is area of a circular ground? Area of a circle, pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 616. 22 2s are 8s are So R square is equal to 196, R is equal to 14. Now we need to calculate time. For that we have to calculate distance. Distance is nothing but what? Circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is the answer? 88. So time is equal to 88 by 22. What is the answer? 4 hours. 1 hour 4 hours. What is the answer? Q1 less than Q2. Clear? Now we'll see question number 6. The total number of quantity 1, the total number of arrangements when the letters of the word promise are arranged so that no two of the vowels should come together. No two of the vowels. Quantity 1. What is the word? P-R-O-M-I-S-E. No two vowels should come together. Right? So normal method. So P 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial. Minus. Arrange vowels always together. So that means this is, what are the vowels we are having? O, I, E. Remaining consonant. P, R, M, S. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. This is 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Right? What is 7 factorial value? 5040 minus 5 factorial is nothing but how much? 120 into 3. 720. This is how much? 5 factorial, what is the value? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 23, 62, 120, 120 into 6, 720. 0, 2. But this is not the answer, because in this also they are saying that no two vowels should come together. This should be different by 3. 3 14 is 42. So 1440. Clear? Because they mentioned no two vowels should come together. So this by 3 should not come together. Quantity 2. Number of chords can be drawn by joining 7 points lying on a circle. 7 points on a circle. Number of chords. 2 points are connecting. 7 C2. 7 into 6 by 2. What is the answer? 21. What is the answer? Q1 greater than Q2. Clear? Now we'll see question number 7. In a bag there are 4 types of color balls of red, white, blue and yellow. The probability of selecting one red ball out of total ball is 1 by 3. The probability of selecting one blue ball out of all ball is 1 by 7. And the total number of white and yellow color ball is 11. The number of yellow ball in the bag is 1. So we will see this one. What are the balls you are having? Red, white, blue and yellow. They are saying 1 by 3 and 1 by 7. LCM of 3 and 7, 21. I am saying that total ball is equal to 21. Probability of selecting red ball is 1 by 3. What is 1 by 3 of 21? 7. Probability of selecting one blue ball is 1 by 7. Blue ball 1 by 7. So this is 3. And number of yellow ball is 1. Total is 21. So this will be 10. Right? Quantity 1. The probability of selecting one white ball. White ball is what? 10 by 21. Clear? Quantity 2. The probability of selecting one blue ball. Blue ball is 3 by 21. Right? How to compare? Cross multiplication. Or multiply this one by 7. Here 21, 21 is there. Denominator is same. Compare numerator. So quantity 1 greater than quantity 2. Clear? So what is the answer? Quantity 1 greater than quantity 2. Or else you write 10 by 21, you write 3 by 21. If you cross multiply 210, this is 63. Q1 is greater than Q2. Whatever, because denominator is constant here. So directly compare the numerator. 10 and 3, which is greater? 10 is greater. So I hope all 7 questions, good quantity 1, quantity 2 questions we have seen in this particular video. Do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and prepare well, and do comment about this video in the comment section. So thanks a lot. All the best.